hanging out. Places I like to be. Hey, wish you guys was here. We're gonna have a blast today. If I can edit, I'll put all this on one. If not, you're gonna get little pieces, because I ain't real bright. I'm gonna fire this up here in a little while. And it's loud. Now, let's go look at the cooker. This is what we're doing on the cooker. Y'all ought to come. Hope that back up video. Let me get a shot. This is where we do our magic. This is the magic box for our loud friends. Oh, there's that little. Let's see what we got here. We're just starting on this. Pulled pork. It's hot, Vince. Bacon bombs. Another bacon bomb. Another bacon bomb. Tidbit tray. And other stuff. And the cook just burned itself, so he's probably done for the day.
Dumb shit.
That handle gets hot.
Those guys are dumb.
Yep, throw them in.
You cut them up.
You want me to put these in here? I can put these here in with the pulled pork. If you want room for, oh, there's your tidbit tray there.
Yeah.
Okay, this, you got more of these anyways. Okay, getting ahead of myself. Okay, guys, anything happens, I'll get back with you. This is Outside Out.